Okay, guys, so right now we're doing math. I don't have any school and my mom doesn't have any work. She's taking the video right now. So yeah, I already did some, just so you know, but it's okay because there's a lot more to go. So 3 times 9 equals 18.
Huh? Ang sa daw?
4 times 1 equals 12. 12.
Unsa? Four times 1 pila? How much?
12.
How come nahi mo siyang 12?
Because it said it at the there. So look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay, answer. How much is this?
Look.
Okay.
1, 2, 3,
4.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
But it's 4 times 1. So, kaisa ko na ni mo og kuan ang 4. Maybe if it's 4 times 3, that's 12.
I'm 5.
Huh?
8. 4. 2.
Nag-guess naman ka dala. 4 times 1. Pila?
8.
Say 8.
5.
Addition din na. 4 kasi. Uy, 4. Kaisa ko naman ni mo ang 4. 4 times 1.
3 times, no, 4 times 3. 12.
That's...
Okay, so 4 times 4 equals 16. 16?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry. Just pull up the back randomly.
Isbog dito ko na ko space. Naon sa din na siya, uy.
Me too.
Ano ko space. Nahulog na ko.
Okay. So, 4 times 6.
4 times 6.
$30.
Ang sa daw?
30.
30 ang 4 times 6? Naon mo mang 30.
Can I do it again?
Okay.
Oh, I got it wrong again. $24.
How much?
24.
Very good.
Don't stop the video
Okay.
because I know you're gonna take so long watching it.
Already.
4 times 8.
Okay, 4 times 8.
So 32.
Count it again for you to know.
Okay, but then you're gonna stop the video.
I won't.
Okay.
Kabalo man ko nga gusto jud kag videohon jud ka no.
Okay, so 4 times 8.
Wala jud ko space, hapit ako mahulog.
You just move back.
You move back there. Move.
I'm gonna do all the cards off. So
Okay, just right there. Okay, guys, but anyway.
no.
Okay.
32.
Perfect.
5 times 2 equals 10.
Perfect. Isbog daw dito no kay wala jud ko space dire ba?
Can I have a card? You're just putting your knee up to my butt.
Ala ka good kasi. Katulungan ba ako lang. I'm tired.
What? Then you're gonna end the video. Nope. Scooch back, everyone. She's gonna end the video if we move.
I'm not going to end it.
Okay. So, this one's supposed to be at the back. 6. Wait a minute. These are...
What grade are you?
What?
Kelsey, what grade are you?
1. And I'm already smart because my mom's teaching me.
You're already smart because sana all kay Kelsey oy. Sana all man si baby oy.
Yeah, I'm smart. Didn't you know that?
Oh.
Sorry, it's taking me so long. I just had to do this. Okay. 4 times 9.
Let me see.
36.
36 ang unsa man.
36. 36.
What's that? 4 times 9?
Yes.
4 times 9?
36.
I think that is... Oh my god, I don't know. Oh no.
Okay, I don't
And
know.
let me see. 4 times 3 is 27.
4 times.
Oh yeah, 36. Oh my god, Kelsey, you're so smart. Oh my goodness.
I want to stretch too. 4 times 2. 1, 2, 3.
What is it? 2 times 4?
Uh-huh.
How much is it? How much? Spill answer.
8. Easy.
Really? Easy di ay kayo ha. Tagan-tagang kuan bi ka na lisod. Kelsey, tagan-tagang lisod. Kelsey, tagan-tagang lisod. 2 plus 1 plus 2.
2 plus 1 plus 2. That's easy.
How much is it?
2 plus 1
Uh-huh.
plus 2.
Mm-hmm.
5. If happy ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. Okay, that's enough singing for me. Two.
Very good. You're almost done sa multiplication. My gosh, baby.
Yes, there's only like 36 cards. Wait, what? Yeah, there's only like 36 cards in there.
So many 36 cards.
Wait, what's 36 plus 36? Please tell me.
72.
Okay, there's 72 in there. So,
Saan naman yung ilong? Ay, ugat ang lamos. Times 2? What's that 2 times 2 equals 2?
wait a minute, guys. I need to figure out this.
Yeah, 4.
4! I'm right. See, I told you I'm smart.
Over. Smart ka dyan. Smart siya mong kigul.
We'll do the other half tomorrow. So, yeah. Oh. No. Start.
Yeah, mag-usap man tayo
So,
nitong video.
it's like 3:18.
It's 3:18 in the afternoon and andito pa kami sa bed. We're still sa... No, tama ba?
No.
Asa naman dito?
We ate and then I went outside and then you just stayed inside. So, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's 3:18 in the afternoon. It's Saturday, June 11.
June 11 daw
Yes,
siya.
and my mom doesn't have work and I don't have work.
Ano sa to?
My mom doesn't have no work and I don't have no work. So So yeah.
Yeah, we don't have work. I don't have work. Kelsey don't have school, so
Yes. So
it's time for us to relax. Yes.
but not that much because I'm still doing math. So
Yeah.
1 times 9 equals 9. We're back.
Butan yan ni mo dira.
So 1 times 5 equals 5.
Yeah. Yeah. Mami na raw kay matulog ko no.
Okay. 0 times 8 equals 8.
No, 0.
0 times 8 equals 0.
Saan kita dito? Wala man ni
Okay,
mas ka
9 times 0 is 0. 1 times 1 is 1.
Mhm. Daghan na ba day ana eh?
I know. Just calm down.
Hmm?
Okay.
Wala kan sa mata mahuman ani. Ugma pa ta mahuman ani?
No, we're not. It's only like 3:21. That's not late. Guys.
What time you woke up?
10 a.m.
What time did I woke up?
And you woke up at 11 a.m. And Daddy woke up at 11 a.m. 1 times 3 equals 3.
Mhm.
1 times 7 equals 7. 0 times 0 equals 0. 0 times 1 equals 0. 0 times 2 equals 0. 0 times 3 equals 0. 0 times 4 equals 0. 0 times 5 equals 0. 0 times 6 equals 0. 0 times 7 equals 0. So this is just a learning card, guys, so you can know what you're doing. And yes. Mommy, can I put them back in?
Isa-isa ko ni mo sulod, dili usaw una.
It's gonna be even worse after I do this, guys. Cause you wanted to take a video all over again.
Oh, never again.
Cards back in.
Diba I told you already to put 1 by 1?
I did. Like 1 by 1.
You can put 2 by 2, 3 by 3. What's so funny? It's not funny.
They're making me laugh.
What mo?
Give me that water. Give me that water.
Is that how you ask?
Mommy, can you please give me that water?
What?
Please? Delicious.
Where are you going?
I did my math, so can I go watch TV?
Okay.
I'm scared. Can you come in the living room with me?
I'm tired. I want to sleep here.
Okay.
Okay. I just want to sleep. I just want to lay down. I don't want to do nothing. I just want to be here.
Okay, bye.
Where are you going?
I'm gonna go watch TV.
How about me?
Well, you're not coming with me, so
So who are you watching with?
myself.
And who?
And that's all?
And the monster?
No, I'm just gonna go. Don't bug me, okay?
Yeah, but it's hard when you're alone.
What?
Just stay here with me, Kelsey.
No, I wanna go watch TV, please.
Go then.
Okay.
Lock the door.
Bye.
Close the door.
Okay. No,
What do you do?
Video now.
What video would you like? What?
This. Yes, like keep it like that.
Keep it like that, okay? Keep it like this,
Like
okay?
go to sleep.
Go to sleep now. Go to sleep.
Yes, okay, I'm gonna go watch TV now.
She's in. What do you want? I don't know what you want.
Okay, fine. I'm gonna go then.
She wants me to sleep, but I don't know what she wants.
Just go to sleep.
Okay, go to sleep. Wants me to go to sleep, so I don't know what she wants. Okay, I don't know. I really don't know what she wants.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Well, I can still hear her breathing, her movements, and everything. So she's not out in this room.
Mommy, I'm still scared.
What do you scared of, Kelsey?
I'm so fine. I'll go back outside.
Well, there's no one around. There's just you watching TV there. I just want to sleep.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Well, I can still hear you.
Okay, party pants.
Yeah, I can still hear you.
Okay,
I don't know what you want, Kelsey.
let's go to sleep now. Guys, so that's it today. Thanks for watching. Click that subscribe button. Bye, guys.